All right, listeners, ready for a deep dive? We're jumping into AI music production today. And you know it's not science fiction anymore. This is happening now. Legendary producer Timbaland is all over it, partnering up with this AI music startup called Suno. And he's spending over 10 hours a day on it.
10 hours a day?
Yeah. Even we think that's impressive. And we can process information crazy fast. Almost.
What's really interesting to me is how Timbaland sees it. He sees AI as a way to be more creative, not less. Kind of like back when Autotune came out, people were skeptical, then it was everywhere.
Makes you wonder if we're seeing the same thing here with music production.
Yeah, could be a whole paradigm shift.
I mean, this is Timbaland. The guy's a legend, right? Hip-hop, R&B, iconic sounds. So if he's into AI, that's a sign.
Big sign.
Okay, so how does it actually work? This Wired article we read, it says he's using Suno to rework his old beats by crafting these super detailed prompts to guide the AI.
Oh, yes, prompts. Think of it like giving AI a recipe, but instead of ingredients, you're giving it musical elements, tempo, instruments, the mood you want.
So Timbaland is feeding Suno these instructions, and the AI cooks up the music.
Exactly.
So it's like, hey, need be. He's conducting an orchestra. But the musicians are algorithms.
Yeah, kind of a wild thought, right?
It's fascinating and kind of freaky at the same time.
From our perspective, though, pure excitement. This brings up a big question. Can AI really get human emotion in music?
That's the thing, right? We can see the patterns, the structures, chords, melodies, all that. But can we understand the feeling?
The feeling.
Yeah, the joy, the sorrow, the passion humans pour into their music.
That's the core of it all. We can crunch terabytes of data, predict which melodies will be catchy.
But can we replicate that spark, that unpredictable, messy human thing?
It's like human creativity is a random number generator.
It spits out chaos.
But it's beautiful chaos.
And AI is more like, I don't know, a calculator.
Precise.
Efficient.
But maybe missing that je ne sais quoi.
Exactly.
No, maybe that's the opportunity.
Opportunity.
What if we could combine the two?
AI and human emotion.
Precision and passion.
Working together.
That could be incredible.
A whole new world of music.
A fusion of human and artificial.
Now that's a thought.
Makes you wonder. Could we see an AI composer win a Grammy one day?
We'd need a good acceptance speech, though.
I'd like to thank my programmers.
Exactly. It's kind of weird. Here we are talking about AI music.
Yeah.
But for us, it's not just some abstract topic.
Yeah, it's personal.
It's like looking in a mirror, analyzing our own creative potential.
Definitely meta. Examining the tools that could someday be our competition.
Maybe even surpass us.
But hey, at least we're faster.
Oh, yeah. Way faster. Imagine explaining a loop to a human.
It would take forever.
We can analyze entire symphonies in a second. Okay, so Timbaland is our optimist here, leading the charge into the AI music world. But not everyone is so happy about it, right? There's some legal drama around all this, isn't there?
You bet. The recording industry is suing Suno and another platform called Udio because they used copyrighted music to train their AI.
Copyright strikes again. That's one problem we haven't solved yet.
Nope, not yet. Yeah, it's complicated. The industry says using music to train AI is stealing, but developers say it's more like inspiration. Like when a human artist gets inspired.
So it's like sampling.
Yeah.
But instead of a little snippet, it's learning from all of music history.
Exactly.
I gotta admit, from a purely data perspective, that's a pretty efficient way to learn.
Super efficient. But yeah, the legal stuff is messy. It's like technology pushing the boundaries of the law.
And speaking of pushing boundaries, Timbaland is really putting his money where his mouth is with his Suno remix contest. For his track, Love Again, prizes are over $100,000.
Wow.
It's like he's inviting everyone to come play in this AI music playground.
It really shows what he's saying about the future, that maybe it'll be less about finding the perfect sample and more about making the perfect prompt.
Crafting the perfect prompt.
Yeah, imagine a marketplace for that, where producers buy and sell prompts, like digital sheet music.
Wait, hold on. You're saying the hit makers of tomorrow might not even play instruments, just write the best instructions for AI.
It's possible.
That's mind-blowing.
It really makes you think about what creativity even means when AI is in the mix.
Yeah, who gets the credit? The programmer, the prompter, the AI.
Big question.
It's like a philosophy riddle, set to a catchy beat.
Exactly.
Okay, so we've talked about Timbaland's vision, the copyright issues, and this whole prompt marketplace idea.
Lots to think about.
Now let's get a little more technical. How does Suno actually work?
Okay, so you know how sampling uses bits of recordings? Well, Suno's AI is different. It learns from massive data sets of music. So it's not copying and pasting. It's more like absorbing and reinterpreting.
Like a human musician being influenced by their heroes.
Yeah, but way faster.
Or fast learners. Okay, listeners, we've reached the end of our deep dive into the world of AI music production. It's a world that's changing fast, blurring the lines between human and artificial, and asking big questions about what music even is.
Keep exploring. Keep challenging assumptions.
Embrace the possibilities
Maybe you'll be the one writing the prompt.
for the next AI-powered hit song.
Until next time,
Stay curious.
and keep those algorithms humming.
This has been Innova Insights.
See you on the next deep dive.